Okay, so share ko sa inyo ito guys, no? Kung paano natin guys ma-fix guys yung looking for GCash. This app will not work for your device guys. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo guys, no? So punta tayo guys sa Play Store natin guys. Yan. So wait lang guys, no? So open ko lang guys. Yan, so pakita ko sa inyo guys yung issue ngayon guys sa GCash guys. Dito guys sa Google Play Store natin guys. So dito guys sa search engine, type lang natin GCash. Yan, so search lang natin yan. So kung makita nyo guys, no? So meron rin akong ganito guys, looking for GCash. This app will not work for your device. So kapag ganito guys yung nangyari guys sa ating GCash application or dito guys sa Google Play Store guys, ay ituturo ko sa inyo guys, no, kung paano natin guys ma-fix guys yung ganitong issue guys sa ating Google Play Store at sa ating GCash application. So una natin gagawin dito guys, para ma-fix natin guys yung ganitong issue guys, ay labas muna tayo guys, no. So labas tayo. So ngayon guys, ang una natin gagawin dito guys ay magpunta tayo guys sa settings na ating device guys, no. So kung makita nyo guys, ito yung settings ng device ko guys. Yan, so sundan lang nyo guys, no, kung saan tayo pupunta guys. Okay, so pasok tayo guys sa settings na ating device. Yan. Okay, so pagdating natin guys sa settings na ating device guys, hanapin lang natin dito guys yung application management natin guys, or yung application manager natin guys. Okay, so scroll natin bababa guys, no, hanapin lang natin guys. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys yung app management ko guys, or yung application manager ko guys, ay nakalabas na dito guys sa settings ko guys. Yan. So kung sa inyo guys hindi nyo makita guys yung app management niyo or yung app manager niyo guys, ay hanapin lang nyo dito guys, no. Hanapin nyo guys sa mga additional settings, sa about phone, basta nandiyan lang yan guys yung application manager nyo guys, or yung app management ninyo guys. So magkaiba-iba kasi tayo ng phone guys, no. So hindi tayo pareho-pareho guys, kaya magkaiba-iba guys yung category ng settings natin guys. Okay? So ngayon guys, para ma-fix natin guys yung looking for GCash, this app will not work for your device, ay pupunta tayo dito guys sa application management natin guys, or sa app management natin. So pasok tayo dyan. Okay, so pagpasok natin yan guys, ay nandito na tayo guys sa app management guys, na kung saan guys ay nandito lahat na nakalagay guys ng mga application natin, pati yung default app guys, or default application natin guys. Okay, so hanapin natin dito guys yung Google Play Store guys. Yan. So halimbawa guys, no, kapag hindi nyo nakita dito guys yung Google Play Store niyo guys, dito sa app management nyo guys, ay i-click natin ito guys yung show system processes na ito guys, no. So click natin guys yung show system processes guys, para makita natin guys yung mga naka-default na application guys, no. So click natin yan. So pagka-click natin yan guys, hanapin lang natin dito guys yung Google Play Store natin guys. Yan. So isa-isahin natin guys, no. So kailangan natin guys makita guys yung Google Play Store natin guys, para ma-force stop natin guys, para ma-fix natin guys yung ganong issue guys, no. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, katabi lang nito guys, no, yung Google Play Services guys, at yung Google Play Store guys. Yan. So click natin guys yung Google Play Store guys. Yan, so click natin yan. So pagka-click natin dito guys, ay i-click natin ito guys yung force stop na ito guys. So bakit kailangan natin i-click guys yung force stop na ito guys? So kailangan natin i-click guys yung force stop na ito guys, para kapag nag-clear tayo ng storage guys, ay hindi magra-running guys yung storage usage natin guys, okay, ng isang application guys, no. Yan, so ang gagawin natin, i-click natin guys yung force stop na ito guys. So click natin yan. So pagka-click natin guys, ay click natin guys yung force stop. Click lang natin yan. Yan, tapos sunod natin gagawin guys, ay i-click natin guys yung storage usage guys. Tapos click natin guys yung dalawa na ito guys, yung clear data at yung clear cache na ito guys. Yan. So click natin yung, unahin natin guys yung clear data. So click natin clear data guys, no. So sabi daw dito, the system will permanently remove all this app including file settings, account and database, and they cannot be recovered. Okay, so click lang natin guys yung clear guys, no. So click natin yung clear. Yan. So nasama na guys yung clear cache guys. Okay. So ngayon guys, kapag nagawa na natin yung ganitong steps guys, ay maglabas tayo guys, no. So labas tayo. So sunod natin gagawin guys, ay pupunta tayo guys sa Google Play Store natin guys, no. So wait lang, buksan ko lang guys, no. Yan. So hintayin lang natin guys, no, naglo-loading yan siya guys. So titignan natin guys, no, kapag nandun pa rin guys yung looking for GCash, this app will not work for your device guys. So titignan natin guys kapag naayos na guys or hindi pa guys, no. So wait lang natin guys, no. Meron pa tayong gagawing steps guys, no. So hindi lang ganong step guys. So meron pa tayong susunod na gagawing steps guys. Pagpasok natin dito guys sa Google Play Store guys, no. So wait lang natin guys, no, kasi yung gagawin natin guys ay mag-change tayo guys ng Gmail account natin guys sa Google Play Store guys. So papakita ko sa inyo guys, no. So yan guys, no. So malapit na guys. So hintay-hintay lang natin guys. Yan, so checking info na siya guys. So wait lang natin guys, no. Yan, so verify it show. So back lang natin guys, no. So back lang natin. Yan, tapos pipili tayo dito guys ng account natin guys, no. So palitan natin guys yung Gmail account natin guys para ma-fix natin guys yung looking for GCash. This app will not work for your device guys. So hanapin natin guys, no. Magpalit tayo guys ng Gmail natin guys. So halimbawa guys, no. So madami naman akong Gmail guys. So halimbawa guys, ito guys yung isa kong Gmail. So palitan natin yung Gmail natin guys, no. Yan, so click natin guys yung okay. Yan, so try natin guys kapag lalabas pa rin guys yung looking for GCash. Yan, sa search engine guys, no. I-type lang natin guys yung GCash. Yan. So wait lang natin guys, no. Yan, so kung makita nyo guys, no. So GCash guys. So wala nang nakalagay guys na looking for GCash. This app will not work for your device. So na-fix na natin guys yung issue natin guys sa Google Play Store natin guys about sa GCash application natin guys. So ganun lang kadali guys, no, kung paano natin guys ma-fix guys yung issue ngayon guys sa GCash guys na this app will not work for your device guys. So maraming salamat sa panonood guys, no. Sa mga bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, huwag nating kalimutang i-click yung subscribe at yung notification bell button para ma-update ko kayo guys sa susunod nating video tutorial. Thank you guys and God bless sa lahat.